Okay, so friends, this is a group discussion session and a regular practice session in which I give you a topic and then you people will talk and practice. I'll be giving you half an hour for discussion. Try to speak, try to come out, try to listen others. प्रैक्टिस से आएगा जीडी तुम्हारा और टॉपिक आपको टॉपिक्स करंट टॉपिक्स एंड गुड टॉपिक्स हैव बीन शेयर्ड ऑन योर पैनल आल्सो उसका लिंक आपको कल आपके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स में मिल जाएगा सो स्टार्ट सीइंग दोस टॉपिक्स एंड लेट मी गिव यू अ टॉपिक राइट नाउ and on which you can discuss that is employment opportunities for youth in India. I'll give you 2-3 minutes to think over it. उसके बाद discussion for half an hour. So employment opportunities for youth in India, that is a topic. Okay friends, I think unmute yourself, each one of you. So one of you can start the discussion now. Unmute yourself and be visible.
Hello everyone, this is Akash Kumar and I would like to take the privilege of getting start our today's discussion. So as the topic of our today's discussion is employment for youth in India, employment opportunity for youth in India. I personally believe that yes, like government and all the private sector should come forward for create an opportunity for the jobs for the youth in India. I hope you guys have also a very great point to discuss. And I personally believe that after a healthy discussion, we can certainly come to a very applicable and practical solution also. So I invite you guys to come forward and let's dive into the discussion and let's begin. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Akash.
Bringing up the points.
So let us start from the points that the employment has been affected by mostly by the COVID and the war situation between Israel and Hamas and the Russia and Ukraine war is there. So that the employment opportunity in India, the recession has been there in the worldwide, and for that reason, our employment has been reduced to very short limits. And the COVID during the COVID situation, the people reduced their upskilling capacity. So there is a need of improvement of their skills. And India is targeting to become a developed nation till 2047. So it must be include the youth to be the part of the change for the nation. And I invite you all to give your valuable points on that.
I agree with
First,
Akash.
I would
India
like to
is
discuss about
continuously
the plus
investing
points.
in newer
Like,
sectors like e-vehicles and the PLSI industry. India wants to be a manufacturing hub for all chips. So it is very important that private investment increases in India so that will create more opportunities for jobs among the youth.
Yes, I agree with my colleagues, but first of all, it is a very crucial topic, the employment of youth. So, in my opinion, employment rate in India is under severe crisis because the data published earlier in the year shows that 65% of the country's population is unemployed, out of which 85% of youth. So this is very severe point to discuss. So I think the government body and all the private sector need to come together to find the idea about the employment
Like
of the youth,
what I
because
what I
Yes, I
the
agree with
because the
Vishal.
because
Like
the
he has said that the jobs
एम्प्लॉयमेंट
have gone
अपॉर्चुनिटीज जो
down.
है
let
कोविड के
let
बाद
me
जो
let me
है
complete my
ये
point.
घटा है.
Let me complete my point, because
yeah yeah
the growth of a country usually depends on the youth of the growth of the youth of the country. If the youth growth is under crisis, the progress of the country will also under a huge crisis. So my point is that youth should be employed, and a better government and every sector should come with a better idea about it.
like
I
what I
agree
feel
with
is
you.
not
Yes,
depend
I
only
agree with
on the
Vishal.
like government and private body only. Like we have to see what we can do as an individual also. Like we all the time we can't depend on the government and private body like Adani, Ambani, Tata. All this will produce only employment. This is not it will not work like that. Like we as an individual, what we can do in terms of it. Like हम लोग अपने अपने तरफ से और क्या कर सकते हैं लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट देने के लिए.
I agree,
तो
Akash.
हम
We
लोग
also have to
one of the
upskill
thing is if
ourselves.
people are coming
Private
See,
sector
regard
is
with the
lacking
see,
skilled labor.
yeah
see,
exactly exactly exactly.
as a aspirant, we first need to look for an opportunity. Since we are an aspirant, so we will first uh, look for an opportunity.
Yes,
Currently, we
Vishal,
are
no, not just
Yes,
that, but
yes.
in
No,
India,
like
like there are many
here we are not
startups are coming
together
up,
for
and I think so because of that many startups are coming up, so you can see the young people are also
yeah
providing the
exactly
job,
exactly
not
exactly
just
exactly
consuming the job. So
Also, I want
this
to
is a
yeah
add
good
one
thing.
point
India
that IT sector has boosted up employment opportunities. So now many IT job opportunities have been created in past 5 to 6 years. This is also a
yeah
plus point
exactly,
one
and
one
most
thing
for
of
the
them
startup
most
with
sector.
of them are
respect to
youngsters
Yes,
only.
yes, yes,
India,
Akash.
with
Listen,
respect to India, I
listen.
think
We
one thing
have
is
to.
the
We
boom of the
Infrastructure.
internet has enabled the youth to study from the comfort of their home, and
Infrastructure.
opportunities in the past were very limited, so one has to go to the teacher and study from there, right? So I think we should fall one step back also and look at the before fetching the employment. We should focus on our upskilling and study, so that's also an
फ्रेंड्स,
Yeah, what I
important
Yes,
point
फ्रेंड्स
to
मैं
keep in
I
मैं
mind.
एक
agree
एक
with
exactly
that
There is
एग्जांपल के
point.
थ्रू
also one
मैं एक
cons of
एग्जांपल के थ्रू इसको
online.
Yes.
कहना चाहूंगा कि हम लोग एक्चुअली गेट
Today,
के
हम लोग
एस्पिरेंट हैं.
एम्प्लॉयमेंट
We
हम
should
लोग
first.
एक्चुअली जो है
We should first
गेट के एस्पिरेंट
ask.
हैं, तो हम लोग
We
को
have to
अभी
listen.
before
Listen,
एप्लीकेशन के
Sikant.
थ्रू देखना पड़ रहा है कि नो अभी तक जो है हम लोग को नो
Sikant, we have to.
स्ट्रक्चर्ड
Sikant.
मेथड
One
फॉर
by one, guys.
रिक्रूटमेंट.
One by
अभी
one.
जो है हम लोग
For that
हम
point
लोग
that
जो
I
है
would like to
गेट
add.
के एस्पिरेंट है गेट के एस्पिरेंट है, लेकिन हम लोग को देखना पड़ रहा है कि पीएस हमारे जितने भी पीएसयू हैं उसमें कोई स्ट्रक्चर्ड मेथड नहीं है, मतलब रिक्रूटमेंट का. हम लोग देखते हैं कि लगभग सिविल में हर साल 1000 के करीब पोस्ट निकलता है गेट के थ्रू, लेकिन उसमें क्या है जिसे हम लोग का आईटी के लिए एक प्रॉपर एक मतलब क्या कहते हैं बना हुआ एक
पोर्टल है,
मतलब
चैनल
जिसपे
है,
हम लोग
चैनल है,
But
सिस्टम है.
चैनल है,
एंड आई
लेकिन
थिंक
इसमें
one thing
पीएसयू रिक्रूटमेंट में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Shrikant, I
one
think
वो
thing
this
क्या
is
है
a
कि वो
company
1000 से
specific
निकलता है.
issue.
Sikant, we are
Yes,
I
debating from
think
the
yes.
this is a
point.
company
also
specific
Debating
issue.
दिस
from
इज
the
आल्सो वन ऑफ
purpose.
द
आज के
रीजन.
समय में देखा जाए तो
इसमें जो
एम्प्लॉयमेंट को
है
लेकर बहुत इशू हम
अपॉर्चुनिटीज
लोग.
को कैसे खत्म किया जा रहा है, मैं वो बोल रहा हूँ
one thing I would
अपॉर्चुनिटीज को
like to
कैसे
add is
खत्म किया जा रहा है.
one thing we should learn
जहाँ पे
from private
1000
sector.
स्टूडेंट को एम्प्लॉयमेंट होना था वहाँ पे 250 लोग या 300 लोग को एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिल रहा है.
One
मैं
thing I
एक
Yes,
would
yes,
like to
I
स्ट्रक्चर्ड
agree
मेथड
with
add is
Shrikant.
from
नहीं है.
private
I
sector
agree
we
with
should learn
Shrikant.
things.
Explain
He is
major role
telling
in
that
the
there is
employment.
mismanagement of opportunities.
and before
Like we have
friends,
many
I want
MTech
to
seats go waste every year due to
friends, I want to add
due to
one more.
PSUs coming late. So
Friends, I want to
this
add
should
one
be
more point.
managed. Yeah.
So,
Yes,
so
definitely.
One point I would
our
like
point is
also
here
add.
employment opportunity for youth in India. So we have to focus on what is lacking in the youth, so that they are lacking some of skills. So they have to develop in during their studies. So we have to focus on more on that. What are the problems they are facing? First, we
Yes,
have to
Akash.
go to the root
Yes,
level.
yes.
I
आज
think.
के
Yes,
समय में
Akash,
हम
So
we
लोग
can go
let
for
देखते
us
a full
discuss
full
from
Agree
there
with Akash.
only.
we
yes,
can
आज
go
के
for
In
समय में
order
हम
to
लोग देखते हैं तो
increase
एम्प्लॉयमेंट का
let
हम
me
लोग
let
बहुत
me
ज्यादा फेस कर
share
रहे
a
हैं,
point
तो
now.
उसकी
Surbi
वजह
ma'am,
से
let
आज
Surbi
की
ma'am
यूथ.
speak. I think she has a great point. Guys, let Surbi ma'am speak. I think she has
Please
a
Yes,
speak
good
one
point.
by
one
one.
by one, one by one,
Friends.
one by
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
friends in
Let Surbi
educational
ma'am speak. Yeah, Surbi ma'am.
So
Yes,
educational
Surbi ma'am.
one
institutions.
one point I
if
would
the
also like to
educational
add that in order
institution
to create
and
more jobs, we
Rohit sir,
should,
just yeah, ma'am, go
educational
on.
institutions
in order to
and
create more
if
jobs, government should promote entrepreneurship, should support potential entrepreneurs, because this would increase the number of jobs directly or indirectly. For example, under the Satat scheme, too many oil companies are promoting uh,
yes,
biogas plants, which are attracting the potential entrepreneurs, and it would also create more jobs and in
Right,
rural
ma'am.
areas as
Right,
well.
ma'am.
actually before enter
Definitely.
into
Yes,
entrepreneurship,
we I agree with.
we have to
हम लोगों
require
को
that the
हम
youth
लोग के जो
should be
एजुकेशन
get
सिस्टम में
some
पहले
opportunity
वोकेशनल
in
ट्रेनिंग
a
को इंक्लूड नहीं
company
किया
or
गया था।
organization to get skilled and some knowledge they can get, so their experience they can use in the entrepreneurs. Otherwise, that investment may get fail. Apart from that, we should go for a scheme like industrial and educational institution come together, and they will if they will come together. Apart from their educational, the student can get the industrial knowledge parallelly. So this type of the some initiative can help to more
Yes, Rohit.
students.
और आज के
Yes,
समय में
Rohit.
सिस्टम में
जो
पहले
But
जो
my
है
friend,
Rohit, I
what
agree
about
वोकेशनल
the
to that
people
ट्रेनिंग
point.
who are
इंक्लूड नहीं
trying to
किया
get
गया
the
था।
government jobs
Yes,
कर
I
रहे
agree
हैं?
to that
We should
point.
also
अभी
provide
न्यू
the
एजुकेशन
government
पॉलिसी
jobs.
में
Already
वोकेशनल
there
ट्रेनिंग
is
को
a
इंक्लूड किया गया है, तो ये हमारे लिए एक अच्छी बात है कि इससे यूथ को एम्प्लॉयमेंट में जगह, मतलब वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग जो अभी न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में जो ऐड किया गया है, इनसे मतलब यूथ को
Yeah, definitely, but
एम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी आगे आने वाले दिनों में
इसको हमें
मिलेगा।
और
yes,
इससे
sir,
पहले
there is a
आज के
NTPC
पूरा
टाइम
which
ओल्ड
is
पॉलिसी
providing
ज्यादा
also
वर्क हमारे
vocational
करने
training.
की
पॉलिसी
नीड
था,
है, क्योंकि
उसमें
NTPC
एम्प्लॉयमेंट
इंक्लूडेड नहीं
उतनी
था।
ज्यादा नहीं
तो
है।
वोकेशनल
even
ट्रेनिंग बहुत जरूरी है
NATS
एम्प्लॉयमेंट
portal is a
जनरेट करने के लिए।
government organized upskilling portal, that is NATS, which is providing skill to the graduates who are studying. That is NATS portal. But the problem is people are not aware about the upskilling through government portals, and there is a need of awareness.
One
I
Yeah,
one
want to
one
add
one
basically,
this
thing
yeah,
one
point.
thing I
yeah.
would love
So
to add
yes,
is
I
that
agree
Basically,
with
the
there
that
is
skill
there
point
is
is
that
not
people are
up to
not
the mark
aware of
as
this
as as we
absolutely,
situation
Manoj.
that
require.
is going
Yeah,
on,
yeah.
Right?
One
and
thing I'd like to
there
add,
is a
add here
there is
is
a
like
there's a
should be
huge
pointed out
requirement of
about
skillful training.
entrepreneurship.
That is there is a national requirement for youth. For that, in this financial year of 2024, Nirmala Sitharaman has announced that youth will be encouraged for training in private sectors with a stipend of 5,000 per month.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
was announced on
Today's
today.
policy told this.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
Yes.
yes.
Today's policy told this.
So this is a great initiative which is about to help 210 lakh of students in the upcoming 5 years of the government's term.
One
So
Government
one
this
thing
is
also
a
I'd
great
And
like
initiative.
like to add here is like
4
should
crore
be
plus
pointed out
students will we get some job
entrepreneurship.
or something like that? It was also included
Like
in the
like
today's
someone
Yes,
added
yes,
like
yes,
this
yes, Akash.
yeah.
entrepreneurship should be promoted, but not
कि
everyone can be
जो
entrepreneur. One thing is we should learn from private sector, should learn from the government sector is the recession proof industry, and government sector should learn from private sector is once they open the vacancy they should fill. Like government job, what happens is once they roll out the vacancies, they take the exam, they take a year or two, and then they cancel the post at the selection. So this doesn't happen in private sector. So I think one should
Yeah, correct,
government
yes,
should
correct.
yes,
target for
and
this also.
One
This is
point
one
I would
problem.
also like
of
to
the
add that we
employer
should also,
या प्राइवेट एम्प्लॉयर।
private, yes, प्राइवेट को इन्वेस्टमेंट, गवर्नमेंट को प्राइवेट इन्वेस्टमेंट में भी बढ़ावा देना चाहिए। लाइक बाहरी इन्वेस्टमेंट लाना चाहिए और न्यू प्रोडक्शन यूनिट्स को सेटअप करना चाहिए। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, गवर्नमेंट को लोन को भी इजी करना चाहिए ताकि स्मॉल MSME सेक्टर को भी बढ़ावा मिल सके, जो डेफिनेटली एक बड़ा बूस्ट होगा।
One
Yes,
one
I
thing I'd
agree to
like to
that,
add
Rohit.
myself as a
But
what
there is
by
already
that working hours in
government
employment, because
government
in
has already
employment
providing
private entities the working hours are not
हर
fixed, so
साल
many people
आईआईटी के
are
ब्रिलियंट
afraid
स्टूडेंट
of
जो
it.
है
I myself
हर
have
साल
worked in
इंडिया को
private
छोड़ के
sector,
विदेश में जाके
so that
बहुत अच्छे
that
पैकेज के
has
लिए
that gives a
बहुत
14
अच्छे
hours of
पैकेज के
daily
लिए
work.
आईआईटी के स्टूडेंट हर साल जो है इंडिया को छोड़ के फॉरेन जाके वो अपना काम कर रहे हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि आई अपने
Yes, yes,
देश
there
में
should be
work life
मतलब यहाँ
balance in
के
India
लोगों को
is very
there
bad.
should
I
be
think
some
work
program.
life balance is very bad.
एक
We should
मतलब
arrange some
People in
program
India
so
work
that
for
it will motivate them to work in our India and develop with develop the nation and
yes, yes.
yes,
I'd like to
there is
I'd
a
like to
I
add a
would
point here is I'd like to add one friend of mine, as someone said, works in foreign. So one thing he's majorly afraid about is the working hours in India. Like Indian employers make the employee work for like more than 12 hours, 14 hours. I myself have worked in private sector. There is no labor law like seriously implemented here. So he is a skilled person. I mean, he's working in foreign, so in abroad there is very high skill demands. So if someone wants to come to
Yeah.
India, like some high skilled person or labor, but he is afraid. So I think apart from just employment, we should look towards the labor laws also. So this is one of my concern with the
Yes,
last.
labor
and
law को
one
correct करें
point
कि
I
I
have
would
to
Guys,
I
guys,
also like
कंपनी को कुछ भी
when we
नियम नहीं है,
when we
संडे
when
को
we
बुला
when
लेते
we
हैं
say
कभी
like
कभी.
we need to create a job or we need to give employment, we have only two factors. Like either we can create jobs by service or by can either we can create jobs by product. So like I what I feel is like creating jobs in a product based company is far more difficult than in the terms of service. Like सर्विस में जो हम जॉब इजीली क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, जैसे हम अब घर बैठे ही हम लोग बहुत सारे काम कर सकते हैं जिसमें के लिए हमें कुछ एक्चुअल कोई फिजिकल डायमेंशन का जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन वही अगर हम लोग प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड सर्विस में काम करना चाहे फिर ऐसे जॉब क्रिएट करना चाहे तो वो शायद ज्यादा हमारा टाइम एनर्जी ये खाता है.
I
तो
think
हम लोग
what you are trying to
इस पर
say or
ध्यान दे
add
सकते
here
हैं,
is
जैसे कि चाइना जापान ये सब है, ये सब ज्यादा इनका इनका बहुत ज्यादा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एबिलिटी नहीं है, लेकिन इनका जो है सर्विस बेस्ड जो इनका टेक्नोलॉजिकली ये लोग इतने हाई एडवांस पे चल चुके हैं कि ये लोग सर्विस में इतना अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. जैसे सर ने भी बोला कि हमारा आईआईटी के लोग जो जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि वहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं, वहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा प्रोडक्ट बन रहे हैं. वहाँ पे मेन कारण है कि वहाँ जो सर्विसेज मिल रही है फिर जो सर्विस प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं जैसे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, गूगल, फेसबुक, ये सब में फिजिकल कोई डायमेंशन नहीं है, लेकिन जो सर्विस प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं
आकाश,
वो
one
बहुत
one thing I think you
आई
are
एग्री
lacking
विथ
here
यू,
is
बट
Akash.
अगर
Akash is
वर्क फ्रॉम होम
just
रहेगा तो उस केस में जो अपना मतलब इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम है उस पर दिक्कत आ जाएगी इंडिया के. तो
No,
अगर हम
like
ऑफिस
I
में
think
जाएंगे तो वहां पे
I
जो
am just
मतलब
trying to
रूल.
cover the only one dimension of creating opportunity. Like it is
यस
far
यस
more
यस.
easier to create a job than the product-based
see
company.
I
I was
think
trying to
what
say that.
Akash is
see
what Akash is
sweet
trying to say is, instead of targeting for companies Google, Microsoft and all, here is we don't need to work every time think about corporate when we talk about employment. Apart from employment, there are many big businesses that a layman
Yeah,
can work. So
yeah,
that also
exactly.
comes under employment.
so
So
so I
it's
am
not like
coming
that
to
one
that part.
particular. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
I want to come to the rural areas. So
yeah,
where
correct,
there
correct.
is skilling is not there, but there
Hmm.
is Manrega schemes and different
Yeah,
government schemes are going on to recruit
definitely,
those people and
definitely, definitely.
give them
The farm
employment. Not only
field workers, yeah.
not only the graduates have the opportunity. They are
Yeah.
the laborers and all those
Uneducated people, uneducated
uneducated
people.
I
people
agree
get
with Akash. I agree with Akash.
get
In Pradhan
opportunity.
Mantri Mudra Yojana, hand weavers are given financial assistance so that they
Yeah,
can
that's
generate
correct.
self-employment.
Yeah,
They
that's
can
so one
help others in the village.
हमारे यहाँ कंट्री में लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी है लाइक इन द फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री also we have required to raise the income of the our farmers. तो हमारे यहाँ जो फूड प्रोसेस इंडस्ट्री के लिए काफी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. अगर गवर्नमेंट इन सब लाइक आई एम गिविंग वन ऑफ माय एग्जांपल, अगर इस तरह के कुछ प्रोसेसेस पे ध्यान दे, लाइक आई एम टेकिंग फूड प्रोसेस इंडस्ट्री, तो हम गांव के लोगों का भी इनकम बढ़ा सकते हैं और सेम टाइम हम एम्प्लॉयमेंट
Definitely,
अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी बढ़ा सकते
definitely.
हैं.
one
तो
more
हमें
I
point
would.
I would like to
इम्प्रूव करें.
Yes, ma'am. Go on. Yes, ma'am. Go on.
yes, Surabhi. Yeah.
one more point I would like to add here is that in countries like Germany, they give importance to non-conventional jobs as well, like the gardener, the driver,
Driver and
etc.
all
They are
cook.
given equal respect as much as we give to scientists or engineers,
Yeah,
doctors,
yeah.
etc.
Hyping
So
blue collar
there is
jobs. Yeah.
less competition there. So in order to in India, there is a lot of competition in
No,
engineering field, in UPSC, etc. So, in order to reduce this competition for employment,
gap. Huh.
we should learn to give equal respect to these occupations as well.
I think she brought
Yes,
out
I
a good
agree,
point.
very
One
much
thing is
agree
that
with Shobit.
blue
Yes,
collar
yes,
एक
jobs
Jakas,
get
good
more
एम्प्लॉयमेंट
point.
attention
अपॉर्चुनिटी का एक
than to
रीजन
the
यही है
lower
इंडिया
class
कि
में
jobs.
भी
हमारे
I think
देश में
हम लोग
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर
We should not
डेवलपमेंट की
look
बहुत
down
कमी है।
upon
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के
so
upon the
that
lower
no
level
one
services. Yeah.
hesitates to take up the small jobs. So blue collar jobs are respected in India. Doctor, surgeon, like engineer and the scientist, CA. So when we look down upon such a small scale job, people hesitate to take the job, and there is a huge
सर
demand for
क्योंकि
low level
क्योंकि
jobs.
सर
So I
कल्चर ही
think
ऐसा हो गया है ना, जैसे
culture,
हम
Indian culture,
इंडिया
yeah,
में ऐसा ऐसा
view
ऐसा
of
हो चुका है
culture, we
कि
have
हम अगर कोई
some
प्राइवेट कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं, या फिर जैसे भले वो कुछ इतना भी अच्छा प्राइवेट कंपनी हो, जैसे अगर अगर आप
yeah,
आम लोगों को, अगर हम फेसबुक में भी काम कर रहे हैं, जो कि एक बहुत
yeah.
बहुत अच्छा कंपनी, सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी, बहुत अच्छा कंपनी,
Yeah,
लेकिन
that's
जस्ट
the
बिकॉज
image
एक
they have
प्राइवेट
formed.
कंपनी
Yeah.
है, द रिकॉग्नाइजेशन, द फिजिकल स्टेटस, दैट जो हमारे आसपास के लोगों का जो मेंटल ऐसा जो सोच बन चुका है,
Yeah.
वो सर
One good point I'd
भले
like to
Yes,
add here.
exactly.
So,
So
Mentality लोगों का change होना चाहिए.
Yes, we
डेफिनेटली
have to
Moral
the
awareness
मुझे
is
लग रहा है
also
कि
required.
एक
this
रीजन
employment
point
is
is
the last
एक
this
रीजन जो
point is
है
related to this
एक
point is
रीजन मैं
related
एक
to
एग्जांपल देना चाहूंगा।
हम
मैं
लोग
बिहार
okay.
का
हम
मैं
लोग ऐसा
बिहार
वो
से
कर
हूँ, तो
सकते
मैं
हैं।
एक एग्जांपल देना चाहूंगा कि अपने बिहार में जो है, मेरे बिहार में जो है, अभी देख रहे हैं कि अभी कुछ दिनों से, या मतलब पिछले 3-4 महीने से लगभग मतलब 3 से 4 पुल का निर्माण हुआ था बहुत पहले, वो
या
मतलब ध्वस्त हो गया।
डेफिनेटली
तो ये जो
टूट
जो
रहा है, राइट सर,
ये जो
राइट सर।
ये करप्शन भी एक रीजन है कि इस करप्शन के कारण इतने सारे पैसों का लॉस हो रहा है। जिस पैसे से एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज के लिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट का काम किया जाना था, वो पैसे हमारे फालतू में जा रहे हैं। तो ये
राइट सर।
करप्शन भी एक रीजन है कि एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज यूथ का कम हुआ
Also,
है।
opportunities
Corruption
are
की
not
वजह से।
given to
और
Yes, exactly. I
students.
इंडिया
agree with
में
Srikant that
But
many of
part-time
the
students are
employment
based on
opportunities are going down just because of corruption in exams. Like there have been so many cases of corruption in exams like NEET, which has been conducted by NTA. So it
यस
should
यस
be
आई एग्री विद
ensured
यू
that
शुभम।
such kind of scenarios should not happen in future.
Okay
यस
guys, like
क्योंकि
I
मतलब
I think we should now move toward the solution. Like आप लोग के पास और क्या क्या solutions है इसका, like to create opportunity, to create this job. So हम लोग अब solution
Sir,
पे बात कर
as
सकते
मैं
हैं।
as
देना
far as
चाहूंगा
I
Let
can
us
as
discuss
far
the
as I
point
can
about the
understand
entrepreneurship. We
is
should
that
discuss.
जैसे
one
Like
is
कि इंडिया
we can boost up startups. Second is India's semiconductor mission,
Startup, right?
which is also there. Third is foreign investments.
Government should
Yes,
focus on the private
और
investment.
जैसे कि इंडिया में हम सबके पास कार होती है,
yes,
तो
yes.
हम लोग जैसे मतलब कार होती है, हम लोग उसे अपने आप ड्राइव करते हैं। अगर
Like
हमारे
railway
पास
and
मनी है
road
तो
and
हम लोग
government.
ड्राइवर रखें, उससे क्या नाम कितनी मतलब की अपॉर्चुनिटी इंक्रीज हो जाएगी। जैसे कि हम लोग जैसे कि मतलब क्या नाम ड्राइव अपने आप वो कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि मेड हम लोग के घर में है, अगर हम लोग अपने आप जैसे कि हम लोग के पास पैसे हैं, तो जैसे कि हम लोग मेड रख लें, ड्राइवर रख लें, या
Okay,
कोई
okay,
सिक्योरिटी गार्ड रख
okay.
ले, तो मतलब इससे जो अनएजुकेटेड पर्सन है उन्हें भी एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिल पाएगी।
Yeah,
I
like
think India
it
should
could be
also
the one
encourage foreign
configuration, like,
investment
but
more.
what
Like
should be the big
recently,
initiative
Tesla was
and big steps
interested
that should be
for
taken?
investing in India, but they moved out of India because of higher import tax. So I think
Definitely,
government should
definitely.
encourage foreign investment more.
फिर
Yeah,
कोई
like
कोई
समझ गया,
I
like
इसका
think
लोन
सॉल्यूशन ऐसा दे
वगैरह कम
सकता
करने
है
के लिए, या
कि
फिर जो उनका टैक्सेस वगैरह
एआई
लग रहा
जो
है
है,
वो कम होना चाहिए।
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस जो मार्केट में आया है,
या
इनके मतलब इनके लिए क्या सोल्यूशन होगा? आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस जो मार्केट में आया है, इसके कारण जो
इसके लिए
think
हम लोग ये
artificial
कर सकते हैं
intelligence is
कि
still yet to catch up. I think
इसके
artificial intelligence is still not a threat. If you go to the chat GPT and
yeah,
ask a
like
question, and
it
you
will
think
create, instead it will create job. Yeah, correct. It will
it will
create
create
job.
job. It is
It
It
will
will
for
create
me.
require
job.
I'm,
an
Like
I'm a
some of
working
the
software
things,
engineer.
professional.
It
It is
will
definitely.
give an
helping in my
opportunity
job
for
actually.
prompt engineers.
Rather than
Like point
rather than
create a
hating
job.
AI, we should appreciate AI. It is helping me.
Yeah,
For
yeah.
I'll speak for myself.
Like
So
we
yeah,
should,
that's not the thing.
we should
yeah,
learn the
but I
skill
think that
that is
AI can
required
take
for
Yeah,
up
it.
jobs in future.
it has become made us
Job it
easy.
will
Definitely,
create.
Future is
definitely.
far 100 years also down the line. It won't take us over
But
the
for
human
जब
current
like
इंडिया
we
में
are thinking.
scenario,
जब
but
इंडिया में
for
कंप्यूटर
current
आया था, तभी भी
scenario,
वो ऐसा ही बोल रहे थे कि जैसे
but for
कंप्यूटर आने
current
के बाद
Yes,
scenario
yes,
नॉर्मल
yes.
हो
in
जाएगा,
Yeah,
India,
yeah.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ।
It is not going to
yes,
It
happen.
has
Akash, but
created much more jobs than
it will
Yeah, yeah.
create
Not this.
jobs in longer run, but in shorter run, as India is now a developing country, if we launch such AI tools in companies, software development through AI and all, then it will be
It is
hectic
already
for
happening.
engineers. It is already happening. So the number
Yeah.
of recruitments in private sectors will already decrease. So for now, we need, as a developing nation, we need a longer term in order to adapt to this.
No,
AI
I think
is
AI
But we should not
hasn't
deny
taken
the
over it. Like
inevitable.
It
ऐसा
has
नहीं
advantage in the
ऐसा नहीं है
long
कि
run.
हम लोग अगर
So here,
बनाए तो हम
here
लोग
we
उसको
can
रोक
all
सकते हैं
Getting a
वास्तव सर
all
problem in
come
the
to
short run.
वास्तव सर
here.
मैं समझ गया आपका बात
Yes, Akash.
वास्तव
Yes,
सर मैं आपका
Akash.
बात समझ
Listen.
गया हम लेकिन चाह के भी उसको रोक नहीं पाएंगे सर कि हम जैसे जब
we won't.
कंप्यूटर आया
Yeah, we
तो हम
won't
चाह
be
के
able
उसको
to.
रोक
We
नहीं
have to
जैसे
adapt
AI
the.
आएगा
We
तो हम
have
लोग
to
We
चाह के
can,
भी रोक
adapt
नहीं
we
पाएंगे
can.
तो
We have to
हमारे
adapt
जो
the new
हमारे हाथ में
technology.
है जो कंट्रोलेबल
If we don't stop,
कंट्रोलेबल फील्ड्स है जो
if
कंट्रोलेबल
we
स्ट्रिंग्स है वो ये है कि हम उसको रोक के उसको जॉब क्रिएट करने के बजाय हम लोग उसको सीख के जॉब क्रिएट
क्योंकि
करें यही सर
हम नहीं
हमारा
यूज
I
करेंगे कोई
I
और
agree
यूज
with
करेगा
Akash.
उसका.
एग्जैक्टली अगर हम नहीं करेंगे
We
तो
should
सर
not
I agree
depend
with you,
fully
कोई
on
और
AI.
यूज करेगा.
Instead, we
So
should
we will have
utilize
to
for
करना
our
इससे
चाहिए,
आगे निकल
लेकिन
जाएगा
टाइम
इसका कोई
टाइम के
मैं
साथ
एक
आगे निकल जाएगा
एग्जांपल देना चाहूंगा कि
हम लोग
नहीं
यूज
सर
नहीं करेंगे
नहीं
तो
सर
और
करना
हम
चाहिए,
लोग
लेकिन टाइम के
अपॉर्चुनिटीज
साथ।
है,
वी आर ऑलरेडी
एम्प्लॉयमेंट
सर वी आर इन द
अपॉर्चुनिटीज जो है
डेवलपिंग
अभी
नेशन हम लोग और
बिहार
वेट नहीं
में.
कर सकते हैं कि चीजों को
Right, we
अप्रूव
can't
करके हम
wait.
अपने
Yeah,
लोगों
yeah,
को
yeah.
So
एम्प्लॉयमेंट
we have
देंगे
to
तो
we
वही
have to
बहुत
adapt
एडवांस
adapt
Yes,
the
एडवांस
exactly.
रहेगा हम लोग
adapt the
ऑलरेडी एक
technologies
डेवलपिंग नेशन में है सर
which is
एम्प्लॉयमेंट
developing in the world. That is AI
या
and
डेफिनेटली
machine
डेफिनेटली
learning
आकाश सर
it is a worldwide
एम्प्लॉयमेंट
chain.
अपॉर्चुनिटीज
So we
को
have to
बढ़ाने
adapt
के लिए
with
अभी
it.
गवर्नमेंट जो है,
So
स्टेट गवर्नमेंट
instead
भी और इंडिया गवर्नमेंट भी दोनों मतलब अभी कुछ मतलब जैसे स्मॉल बिजनेसेस को बढ़ावा देने के लिए अभी 5 लाख या 6 लाख रुपए ये लोग मतलब कुछ 1%, 2% पे इंटरेस्ट पे ये लोग को दे रहे हैं अभी मतलब स्मॉल
यस
बिजनेस
सर
को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए
Just
बिहार में.
यस
without
या
collateral.
ये भी एक
One
ये भी
thing,
एक फैक्टर है कि इससे एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज बढ़ेगा,
डेफिनेटली
Friends,
सर
स्मॉल
one thing
बिजनेसेस को
I would
बढ़ावा देने के लिए.
like to ask to all
since
of you,
you are
like
talking
in
about AI,
recent
I
years,
want to say
college
that the
placements have
AI
guys
gone
guys
down.
guys Rohit
yes
Rohit sir has
yes
something
I have to add another
Rohit sir
point.
have something to
Yes,
ask.
yes.
Guys, just a second. Rohit sir has something to ask. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Rohit sir,
One thing I
proceed.
have to ask,
I want to say
like
that as you're
college
talking about
placements have gone down.
AI will increase the job, but it will increase only skillful job. It will definitely reduce and hamper the unskilled job. So there need a regulation. We can't throw it freely. Development is actually
Yes,
fire
yes.
back.
Yes, Rohit.
Yes, I agree with Rohit
I want
about this
I
point.
want to
Yes.
I want to give a
कोविड के
point.
बाद ज्यादा
Point.
जानेंगे.
Yes, I want to give a point that AI and ChatGPT, those services are very reliable. We can adapt. We can learn these even the child can learn those ChatGPT how to
Yeah,
work with the
yeah,
ChatGPT.
yeah,
So the
definitely,
interface
definitely.
is a very easy one. So we can adapt with that. I think government can use some skill development program so that people can use the AI to bring to their workforce. So
Friends, what I
that's
agree
it.
with
can
But
Akash.
But new
Yes,
education
I think
policy
that
में
there should be
गवर्नमेंट
some
ने
restrictions
खुद
that should be imposed
अगर
on
हम
AI.
देखें कि हमारा न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी है गवर्नमेंट ने उसमें खुद जो हमारा एआई और एमएल है उसको इंट्रोड्यूस मतलब बचपन से ही वो लोग वो
Yes,
ऐसा ये
from
कर रहे कि
sixth
बचपन
class
से
they
लोग
will
उस चीज
start
को
computer
सीखो.
education.
या डेफिनेटली हमारा न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में
I
हमारा
think
वो
we are
इंक्लूडेड है.
diverting from the current
Solution, what
topic.
I can see,
So
like
another point I want
the
to
major
add.
solution, the major
Yes, sir.
solution that I can see, we should focus on the manufacturing sector and the production unit. The reason behind that has the cascading effect, the production unit and also the MSME sector. These will create more and more job, and that can tackle most of the unemployment issues.
So India is now the
एम्प्लॉयमेंट
fifth
अपॉर्चुनिटीज
largest
को
economy.
जो
Listen.
एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज को कम करने के लिए एक ये भी रीजन है कि अपना जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम है एजुकेशन सिस्टम को मॉनिटर करने के लिए ना तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट सही से कर रहा है ना सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट सही से कर रहा है. एजुकेशन जो भी हमारे सरकारी स्कूलों में हो रहा है उन पे कड़ी नजर रखी जाए, उन पे जो है ग्राफिक बेस्ड स्टडीज पे ध्यान दिया जाए, बच्चों के मतलब बहुत सारे तरह के स्किल पे डेवलपमेंट पे ध्यान दिया जाए. तो इससे क्या होगा कि बच्चे खुद मतलब एम्प्लॉयमेंट को जनरेट कर लेंगे अगर उन्हें सही
I
तरीके
think
से
they have brought
Just
a
one
valid
question.
point
में
that
पढ़ाई होती नहीं
not only
प्राइवेट में हर कोई पढ़ा
top
सकता
schools should
नहीं.
have the syllabus thing.
So
I
another
think
point I want to add that India is now the fifth largest economy in the world. so
towards
there is a more
global
investment
standards.
to our country. Yes, if you are agree with that, India is the fifth largest economy in the world, and more investment is coming towards India. So in this time, we just have to grab the investors money and
Yeah,
put our
definitely,
ideas, so that
definitely.
definitely
the
agree with
entrepreneurship
Akash.
will be the
ज्यादा से ज्यादा इन्वेस्टर आए
large.
हमारे साथ,
Yes,
सही
yes,
बात है।
yes.
So
That's
these
how
two
So we must support,
we can our
we
level.
must support foreign investment and exports
हाँ
as well. We
हाँ
as
हाँ,
in this year's
ताकि उन पे
budget,
टैक्सेस कम कर दें, तो उनको
yes, yes,
प्लेसेस फ्री कर दें,
duty has
समझ
been
रहे
So,
हैं?
reduced. So that is a
yes, yes.
great
The
initiative.
yes,
I
yes.
would like to add
Apart,
one point. Like we have case in Karnataka where 50% reservation for local people is there. So those kind of things should not be imposed. Other
Correct, correct.
like
Yes, I
like
agree.
India should run in a united way. So this kind of
Skilled
local
people, so
reservation
that
will
skilled
only
people get a
degrade
chance.
the
Yeah,
skill. Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
फ्रेंड्स हम
exactly.
yeah.
इंपोर्ट
Correct.
हम
और
जो
जो
बाहर से कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स
व्हाट आर
बनाते
अनदर
हैं
पॉइंट्स?
तो इंडिया में भी डेवलप होता है। तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि इंडिया में प्रोडक्शन जो होती है उसकी कॉस्ट हाई होती है, बट हम जो इंपोर्ट कराते हैं तो बाहर से चीजें सस्ती आती है। तो गवर्नमेंट को क्या है कि इंपोर्ट ड्यूटी लगानी चाहिए, बाहर से जो प्रोडक्ट आ रहे हैं उन पे
हाँ,
इंपोर्ट ड्यूटी लगा के
डेफिनेटली
उनको
डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली।
ताकि हमारे इंटरनली जो प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है उसको बढ़ावा मिल सके और वहां पे हम कम्पीट कर पाए।
करेक्ट रोहित सर, मतलब जो हमारे
I
Also,
यहाँ
think
I want to
आकर
add
जो
Chinese,
प्लांट
yes, yes,
लगाएंगे
yes.
उनको हम लोग को टैक्स
no,
फ्री
I
कर देंगे
think
वो लोग, और जो
ना
let's
से जो
बाहर
भी
से आ
हमारा
रहा
रॉ
है।
let's
मटेरियल जो
conclude
आता
now.
है
Friends,
उस पे
let's
मतलब
conclude
अनुबंध
now
लगना चाहिए।
one by one. So I'll give chance to each one of you to conclude, and maximum for 2 minutes, not more than that. So yeah, Rohit, please conclude the entire session.
फ्रेंड्स हमने सॉरी सर, आई विल कंक्लूड लेटर आफ्टर।
Akash, you conclude. Unmute करो.
Yes, sir.
Akash,
Sir,
unmute करो.
yes, sir. That's Akash Maran, right? You are asking.
Good.
Um, so the topic, we have given a topic, that employment opportunity for youth in India, and we had a very good discussion. And I'm glad that I had come to the conclusion. But uh, I will tell those points which we have discussed. Uh, First of all, the opportunities, the employment opportunities which were there in past, and now it is reduced. The causes are the COVID, and another is war crisis, which is increasing the recession, and so that the employment opportunities has been reduced. So India has taken the steps to become the developed nation until 2047, and including that, there is opportunities for the youth. They should be participated in that. The main reason they are not getting opportunities, that skilling, they have not been properly skilled. So there is a requirement of upskilling, and government has taken some steps like NATS and industrial and education and vocational training, etc. And the entrepreneurs in India should be motivated, because India is the fifth largest economy, and large amount of investment are coming to India right now, and entrepreneurs has been given those different schemes has been provided for them, and different higher skills persons like IITians and IISc and a different educational background, they are moving towards outside the country. So they had to be motivated to use their skill in India, and utilize their skills in our own fields. And there is we are coming to the village level or rural level. There is people who never who is unskilled, and government has been providing Manrega schemes to motivate and provide them some work in village. And the startups should be motivated in our India. And corruption has been playing a big role since during elections and all the things. The only the vacancies are coming out. That should not be there in our culture. and there is opportunity
Akash,
opportunities
you are
like
not concluding. Akash, you are not concluding. You are just started discussion actually. It was a conclusion session. That simply means जो आप लोगों ने डिस्कस किया उसको बड़े precisely within 2 minutes आपको conclude करना है आकाश, not longer than that.
Can
So
I
let
conclude?
me, हाँ, and I'll give you a chance to each one of you. Let me give the feedback to Akash Maharana. आकाश, आपका जब अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है डिस्कस करने का तो टू द पॉइंट स्ट्रेट वे में आप अपना पॉइंट रखो, so that people will listen to you. Otherwise, if you will stretch the sentence, they will cut you and you will not be in position to speak completely. Group discussion may it makes sense that your sentence should be very concise and precise, to the point, and whatever you want to tell, you should tell that. So instead of a longer sentence, it is better two shorter sentences you use in the group discussion. And conclusion is all about what others have discussed and what was the topic and what was your point. That is how it is to be done. Good thing is you are in position to enter, you are in position to talk. That is a good thing about you. But please improve on it. Not very long thing, right? Over to you, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Friends, I think it is a very healthy discussion, and all of us we are agreed on that employment opportunity is a big issue in India, and that can be only that can be solved by increasing the private participation, increasing the infrastructure. Also, we need to modify our education system and collaborate and come up with some skilling and internship programs, and also we discussed about increasing of infrastructure and private participation, and development of the more and more production units. Also, we have discussed about the village concerns, like we can focus on the food industries to increase the and MSMEs to increase the employment. So these are the major points. Thank you.
Okay. So it's okay, Rohit, you have given some points, but not all the points. And I tell each one of you again and again that if you are to conclude the session, make sure you are writing, jotting down the points which others are speaking, so that when you get the opportunity to conclude, you are in position to conclude on behalf of the group. Some good points, Rohit, you have missed, which others have used. But yes, you have to write simultaneously so that you are in position to conclude properly. Rohit, you are also in position to enter, but more practice you need to do so that your coming in the discussion becomes very very smooth. Now, friends, whenever such topic is given, employment opportunity for youth in India, understand couple of things which will enhance your credibility of discussion. One is National Education Policy 2020. National Education Policy 2020 always focuses on creation of the jobs through vocational courses and skill enhancement courses. So, National Education Policy says that focus only on theoretical knowledge should not be there. Practical learning should also be there. And there are multiple entry, multiple exit kind of schemes. That means if a student who has not taken formal education wants to take formal education, they can get it. And another example I'll give you. Recently, one of my students who was doing his MTech from some IIT, he got opportunity abroad and he left IIT system after 1 year. Earlier, if somebody leaves his MTech, he will after 1 year he will get nothing. Either after 2 year you get degree or you will leave. But that boy from IIT Kharagpur, I think he got a diploma because he completed 1 year. Now, as per new national education policy, he got diploma. Now that diploma will be helpful for him wherever he goes. So that is he has earned credit. That is basically credit earning scheme in national education policy. So employment can be generated if the youth becomes skilled. And also later on, I will tell you that employment, government and public sector cannot be the mass employer. They are very class employer. They are not mass employer. They are class employer. That means they will hire only the best people, like you all are aspiring for public sector or government sector. You are the class. Actually, you are putting a lot of effort. You are engineers and you are highly qualified, skilled. So it cannot be for mass employment. Government will not be giving jobs to masses, not even 5% people. So where others will go? Private sector. And more than that, friends, MSMEs. That means MSMEs means uh, that simply means जो small scale industries हैं, medium and small scale industries, they are the largest employer. Small industries which are hiring 10 people, 20 people, 30 people, there are so many such. So if you want to increase the employment, you need to create entrepreneurship, startup culture, MSMEs. They are the largest employer. So you name any country in the world. If unemployment problem was resolved, it was resolved only through startup culture. So you need to create ecosystem of startup culture. But the problem in India is there's a race for the moment you say job, the moment you say employment, you start looking towards government. Government cannot be the mass employer. It is only class employer, always in any country. So you cannot depend upon that. MSMEs, then self-employment, then organized sector, unorganized sector. Organized sector means companies which are big companies, multinational companies or like Tatas and all. But again, they cannot be mass employer. So mass employer can only be small scale industries. And there is a reason government needs to focus on that. And self-employment. And for becoming self-employed, skill enhancement has to be very good. So skill enhancement programs are to be very, very good if you want to become, create the employment opportunities for the people. And employment should not be linked with education. Listen to this point again. Employment and education should not be very much linked. If you have a degree, then only you can get a job. No. If you have skill, you can get a job. So it is not a degree. We should not run after a degree. We should run after skill. Electrician. When your house has some problem, you are looking for some electrician. When he comes, you are not looking for his certificate. Have you inquired that plumber or carpenter or electrician, show me your certificate? No. You say, do you know this? Yes, I know this. Do it. Take 200 rupees, take 500 rupees. By the end of the day, maybe he's earning 2000 rupees. So skill related jobs, not qualification related jobs. That is also national education policy. So you need to think of these innovative things. Last but not the least, there is a taboo, as some of you said. There is a blue collar, white collar jobs. Somebody said Germany may, I think Surbi was mentioning about Germany may people can work and they get the same respect any developed countries. Why? Because the taboo is removed. At the end of the day, you want to earn money. You want to have a good quality of life. Why are you running after degrees then? Why are you running after degrees and degrees? Earning is related to skill, not certificate. That particular thing should go in the mind of the people in India. Awareness needs to be generated. Taboo and the stigma which is attached with blue collar jobs. ये तो carpenter है, तो electrician है. एक employed electrician is far better than unemployed electrical engineer because he's earning. So that is where we have to take it, this entire skill. So understand this entire thing first and then explain, friends, and then speak it. So a couple of good points will always help you to. And these all documents are being provided to you now. Whatever I said, tomorrow you will get this document in detail. वो उसको पढ़ो, प्रिंट और लो, पढ़ो, कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई पॉइंट डाल दो. आप में से कोई खड़ा होकर नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी बोल देगा अगर, तो उसको नंबर मिलेगा. आप देखो, आप जितने भी लोग बात कर रहे हो ठीक है, लेकिन क्वालिटी ऑफ कंटेंट कैन बी इंक्रीज्ड. उसको अगर अच्छे तरीके से बोलेंगे देन यू विल गेट द मार्क्स इवन इफ यू स्पीक लेस, राइट? नाउ आई वांट सम मोर पीपल टू कंक्लूड द सेशन. सो Gustav Guha, if you want to conclude the session.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to conclude our session. We have had a great discussion. Unemployment issue has been a very large issue for the Indian people, and as we have discussed, some schemes are being encouraged by the government, such as Manrega in the rural areas, and how SMEs are being supported by the government, and how skilling is being done through our education system, the new education system. And apart from that, as Shuravi has mentioned, that there has to be some moral awareness among Indian people that this or that job does not have some imbalance in our society. Like this job is doctors and engineers are being worshipped and the other people are not. So that difference has to be reduced as much as possible. Someone has mentioned also that the Karnataka's domestic hiring policy has been there, which is also being criticized in India, and government has been taking great measures as far as this year's budget is concerned. So we have also discussed all about this. Thank you.
Okay, so it is okay, Kaustav. अच्छा है जो आपने कंक्लूजन किया, दैट इज अ गुड, बट यस, अगर आप लिख लोगे जो बाकी लोगों ने बोला है तो ज्यादा अच्छे पॉइंट्स आपको मिल जाएंगे। टू द पॉइंट लोगों ने क्या क्या बोला, दैट इज द कंक्लूजन, दैट इज हाउ यू हैव टू डू इट। ओके, नाउ आई थिंक Surbhi, you can conclude.
Yes. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to conclude the topic, which is employment opportunities for youth in India. So we had a very great discussion where we have discussed various points like we should promote startups that would create many direct as well as indirect jobs. We should in education we should give vocational training as well. We should in order to promote the Indian goods and services, we should import duties from foreign goods. We should have a control over. We should know to control the corruption in order to so that the money can be utilized in creating more employment rather than being wasted in these corruption. We should upskill the youth because skills are the things which is necessary for employment and not the degrees. We should uh, promote AI training because AI is now replacing AI is the very burning topic today. So that is from my side.
Okay, so Surbhi, that is okay, but make sure that whatever is being discussed, that you are concluding in the way it is conclusion is to be done. So you can always use these sentences that, okay, friends, some of the members were of the view that employment can be generated through self-employment. Some of the members were thinking that small scale industry. Some of the members thought this is the way to get the employment. So इस तरीके से the way, this is how you can go for it. And friends, make sure that you don't deviate from the topic, whatever topic is given. Don't deviate from it. Stick to the topic. Don't deviate to paper leakage and all. That is not related directly to it, right? So, okay, Aritra Mal, if you want to, yeah.
Yes, sir. I would like to conclude the discussion on behalf of my group. So we had a very fruitful discussion on employment opportunities for youth in India. Here we have discussed about all the related issues like lack of skilled labor, lack of startup investment, lack of management of government job, and less investment in MSME sector. And also we have discussed about the solutions for these employment problems, like new education policy where skills are being prioritized, then investment in VLSI sector, then foreign investment, and also we have discussed about the impacts of AI in the employment opportunities. Thank you.
Okay, so that is good, Aritra. Though some points, important points you missed, but the format was okay, the structure was okay, and the duration was also okay, which you concluded. Okay, Samant Srivastava.
I want to conclude that in employment means है एम्प्लॉयमेंट या तो हमें जॉब से मिल रही है, या तो हम बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, या तो हम मतलब फार्मिंग कर रहे हैं। इन तीन चीजों से हमें एम्प्लॉयमेंट हो रही है। और अगर हम आज के उसमें देखें आप तो आज के समय में एम्प्लॉयमेंट में इशू ज्यादा हम लोग फेस कर रहे हैं। तो इसके बोलिए जो आज के युग है उन्हें मतलब क्या नाम कि अब मोर स्किल्ड होना पड़ेगा, उन्हें हार्ड वर्क और करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आफ्टर कोविड के बाद में जो जॉब्स की हैं बहुत दिक्कत आ रही है। और अगर हम देखें तो 97% जो मतलब जॉब्स हैं वो है प्राइवेट सेक्टर में। अगर हम अपने आप को स्किल्ड बनाएं और तो हमें इजीली जो है प्राइवेट सेक्टर में जॉब से मिल सकती हैं। और अगर हमारे पास पेशेंस है और टाइम है तो हम लोग वो जो मतलब क्या नाम है गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में भी वो जॉब मिल सकती है। So that's all I want to conclude. Thank you.
ओके समंत, अगेन ये कंक्लूजन वाला फॉर्मेट नहीं लग रहा था, ये डिस्कशन वाला फॉर्मेट लग रहा था. कंक्लूजन इज लाइक व्हाट यू पीपल हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड एंड यू हैव गॉट सम कंक्लूजन, उसी को मेंशन करना है. सो सारे ग्रुप ने क्या कंक्लूड किया, सारे ग्रुप ने क्या इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स बोले थे, दैट इज द कंक्लूजन. और वो तब तक नहीं किया जा सकता जब तक आप लोग उसको कॉपी पे लिखेंगे नहीं. बहुत कम स्टूडेंट डिस्कशन करते करते कॉपी पे लिखता है, और वो प्रैक्टिस अगर तुम्हारी नहीं है तो वहां पे नहीं होगा, तो आप वहां पे लिख नहीं पाएंगे. इसलिए जब आप यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस करें हमारे साथ, तो आप साथ साथ लिखने का जरूर डेवलप करें प्रैक्टिस, सो दैट आप अपनी कॉपी पे कुछ लिख सकें. और अगर आपका जीडी में और कुछ भी नहीं होता है, लेकिन कंक्लूजन अच्छा कर पाए आप, तो आप पास हो जाते हैं. कंक्लूजन सबसे इजी पार्ट होता है ग्रुप डिस्कशन का, तो ट्राई करना कि आप कर पाए. विशाल
Okay.
यादव, वुड यू लाइक टू कंक्लूड?
Yes, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. See, employment is a sector in our country which needs to be worked on. The government is making efforts, as everyone discussed, like entrepreneurship, skill development program, vocational program. But in my opinion, I think the industries in our country needs to be supported, because in our country sometimes the focus is only on the bigger sector, but we have to aware that the mass recruitment will come only from the small industries. So I think small industry needs to be care of. Thank you, sir. That's from my side.
ठीक है विशाल, अगेन द सेम थिंग, लाइक और कुछ पॉइंट्स अगर आप लिखे हों तो उनको पॉइंट्स को बोला जाना चाहिए और सिस्टमेटिकली बोला जाना चाहिए. सी, स्ट्रक्चर ऑलवेज गिव्स यू मार्क्स. स्ट्रक्चर इन इंट्रोडक्शन, स्ट्रक्चर इन कंक्लूजन always gives you more marks. Structure means, if I am to introduce this topic, I'll say that, okay friends, the topic given for the discussion is employment opportunities for youth in India. Friends, as you know, India is having the this demographic dividend. That means we are a young country. Maximum population is in the age group where is youth age group, where they can do really good for the Indian economy. But only thing is they should get opportunity to employment. In my opinion, we should discuss this entire topic in the categories of how youth can get the opportunities for the employment in which sectors. So how many can be accommodated in government and public sector, how many can be accommodated in large organized private sector, how many in small scale industries, how many will go for self employment. And if these are the different sectors in which they are to go, then how we can help them to get into this, because the preparation or the requirement to get into government job will be different from self employment requirements. So then the path or strategy should be told, and we have certain documents like national education policy which actually will help us to understand how this can be created. So let's have the discussion now. This is the typical introduction, friends. Structure, सेम स्ट्रक्चर यू कैन फाइंड इन द कंक्लूजन ऑल्सो. तो स्ट्रक्चर जो होता है वो कंक्लूजन इंट्रोडक्शन में होता है. स्ट्रक्चर को पकड़ लो, रिवाइज कर लो, स्ट्रक्चर ही तुम्हें सिलेक्शन दिलवा देगा. अगर आपने स्ट्रक्चर में बात करना स्टार्ट कर दिया, तो ऑब्जर्वर को लगता है कि दिस गाय नोज हाउ टू डिबेट, हाउ टू डिस्कस इन द ग्रुप्स. सो वो स्ट्रक्चर अगर तुमने पकड़ लिया, इट इज गोना वर्क फॉर यू, राइट? अब मेरे ख्याल से शुभम कैन कंक्लूड. शुभम, प्लीज गो एंड कंक्लूड नाउ.
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity to conclude on behalf of the group. So, first of all, I would like to bring out some positive points which have come up. Like we have IT sector which has boosted up employment opportunities in past 4 to 5 years. Also, the mindset of people has changed. They are moving more towards good private jobs rather than becoming part of a rat race and going after the government jobs. Then we have come across the point of Manrega, which is very beneficial for rural areas. Also, we have startup culture, vocational trainings, and internships, as discussed by all of our group members. Coming to some of the drawbacks, like we have seen that the youth of our country is not that much. That is not receiving that much skill. So the condition of trainings and internships should be improved. For that, we have NAPS for portal, which is available online, which should be made available to all. Which should be made available to all the young people. Also, we have also there also the chances of foreign investment should be increased. And as discussed by Surbi, that this taboo of blue collar jobs and white collar jobs should be removed, so that each and every job should be given equal respect, and we should not look down upon any kind of job.
Okay. Okay friends, now I think this is okay. शुभम, आप पार्टिसिपेट कर पा रहे हैं, आप एंटर कर पा रहे हैं, दैट इज अ गुड थिंग. आप कंफर्टेबली एंटर भी कर ले रहे हैं, कंफर्टेबली आप डिस्कशन भी कर पा रहे हैं, दैट इज गुड थिंग. नाउ उसी में कुछ पॉइंट्स जो बाकी लोगों के थे वो लिख के अगर आप करेंगे तो दैट विल हेल्प यू. श्रीकांत, ओवर टू यू.
Friends, let me take the opportunity to conclude the discussion. It's a very healthy discussion. We have reached consensus on almost all the points. Friends, हम लोगों ने एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज के लिए क्या क्या बैरियर्स आ रहे हैं और उनकी क्या सॉल्यूशन है, हम लोगों ने ये डिस्कस किया. उनमें से फर्स्ट में हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया कि फर्स्ट जो बैरियर है वो नो स्ट्रक्चर्ड मेथड फॉर रिक्रूटमेंट है. कि हमारा जो भी बॉडीज है, पीएसयू है या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है या प्राइवेट सेक्टर है, वो जो रिक्रूटमेंट कर रहे हैं उनका एक कुछ मतलब प्रॉपर मतलब चैनल नहीं है, जिसके कारण क्या हो रहा है कि एक ही बच्चे जो है वो मतलब मल्टीपल जगह सेलेक्ट हो रहे हैं, और इनके कारण एम्प्लॉयमेंट जो है मतलब एक 3 से 4 लोगों को जहाँ पे जाना चाहिए वहां पे एक लोग जा पा रहे हैं. और दूसरा हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया कि लैक ऑफ वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग. इससे पहले जो हमारे एजुकेशन पॉलिसी था उसमें वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग को इंक्लूड नहीं किया गया था. अभी न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में किया गया है, तो इनसे आने वाले दिनों में मतलब एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट करने के लिए बहुत फायदा मिलेगा इनसे. तीसरा हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया कि हमारे जो मतलब आईआईटी हो गया, आईआईएससी हो गया, इनके स्टूडेंट जो हैं फॉर गेटिंग मोर पैकेज दे आर लिविंग देयर कंट्री. तो उनको मतलब बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा प्रोवाइड किया जाना चाहिए ताकि वो इंडिया में रह के कंपनियां खोलें, जिससे अन्य लोगों को भी फायदा पहुंच सके. और हम लोगों ने एक और चीज डिस्कस किया कि हमारे इंडिया में क्या है कि करप्शन बहुत मतलब ज्यादा हो रहा है, जिनके कारण क्या है बहुत सारा पैसा जो है करप्शन के कारण हमारा हर साल पानी में चला जाता है. इस करप्शन को रिड्यूस करना चाहिए. इन करप्शन इनसे जो हमारे जो भी फायदा होगा इस पैसे को हमें इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट में लगाना चाहिए, जिससे मतलब एम्प्लॉयमेंट को जनरेट करने में फायदा हो. और लास्टली हम लोग डिस्कस किया कि स्टार्टअप लैक ऑफ स्टार्टअप इन्वेस्टमेंट है. इन स्टार्टअप इन्वेस्टमेंट पे जोर देना चाहिए यूथ को, ताकि एम्प्लॉयमेंट को जनरेट किया जा सके. और लास्टली हम लोग डिस्कस किया कि स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेस जो है उन पे मतलब गवर्नमेंट को ध्यान देना चाहिए. गवर्नमेंट को टैक्स फ्री इंटरेस्ट टैक्स फ्री लोन स्टूडेंट को या यूथ को प्रोवाइड किया जाना चाहिए, ताकि वो स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेस पे भी ध्यान दे सके और एम्प्लॉयमेंट को जनरेट कर सके. लास्टली मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि यूथ के माइंड में एक्चुअली अभी दिमाग में ये बैठ जाता है कि अगर मैं ग्रेजुएशन किया हूँ तो मुझे ऑफिस वाला ही वर्क चाहिए. तो ये हमें एक्चुअली माइंड से निकालना पड़ेगा. हम लोगों को मतलब किसी भी कोई भी काम करने के लिए मतलब तत्पर रहना पड़ेगा, ताकि हम आने वाले दिनों में इंडिया की मतलब एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट को हम बढ़ा सके. थैंक यू सर.
Okay, Shrikant, it was okay. I mean, the way you concluded is okay. आपने पॉइंट्स कवर किए हैं. आपका जब डिस्कशन होता है तो आप एक बात का ध्यान रखना कि आप दूसरों को ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट ना करें. सो मेनी टाइम्स व्हेन यू आर स्पीकिंग यू आर नॉट लिसनिंग टू अदर्स एंड यू आर पैरेलली स्पीकिंग. प्रैक्टिस के लिए ठीक है, लेकिन जब आप एक्चुअल जीडी में जाएं तो ऐसा ना करें, क्योंकि वो उसको केवल नेगेटिव लेता है कि अगर आप बोल रहे हैं और दूसरे को चांस नहीं दे रहे हैं कि मैं रिजेक्ट यू. तो अभी प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं योर पीडीएफ पे आप, दैट इज ओके. और आपको उससे प्रैक्टिस होगा बोलने का. लेकिन आप इस चीज का बिल्कुल ख्याल रखें कि अगर कोई दूसरा पार्टिसिपेट करना चाह रहा है, बोलना चाह रहा है, तो आप उसको चांस दें, आप उसको ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट ना करें. राइट, बाकी ठीक है. एनीबडी एल्स इज लेफ्ट फ्रेंड्स हु वांट्स टू कंक्लूड?
It's me, sir. Pankaj here. Should I?
या
It's me,
पंकज,
sir.
गो अहेड. ओके
Okay,
आकाश, आफ्टर दैट.
I'll just start. So I think this discussion was a good balancing discussion. So I think people have touched many points and all the points, almost all the points. So I'd like to start. The first point is while starting the discussion, someone came with education. That's very important because the before employment, the stage comes is education. So people suggested that in education we need to improve education and skill. So how to start that is like someone told we should use the graphical methods to for the studying and teaching the students. So I think that that's a good point. So it gets very hard to mend our minds at our later age than the early age. So I think that's a good point. And the second thing is about the taboo that people talk about in India. So like blue collar job versus odd jobs, people like compare those jobs like a very low level job. I think that if we remove that, the people won't hesitate to take up the job according to their skill. So I think that's a good point. And one more point is someone added the government recruitment channel versus private recruitment channel. So in government recruitment channel, it takes very long time to recruit a candidate than compared to the private company recruitment channel. So that's a good point. Like at two three places, the candidate doesn't hover and jump and takes up the job, and don't, so one candidate does not waste more than one seat. So that's a good point. Foreign investment is again the important point that someone pointed out. Like we should try to attract a foreign investment in India so that we can take more job, as well as we should promote the make in India, not just foreign investment. We should also promote the make in India so that we can generate more employment. One of the most important point is the recession point. Someone pointed out, like there is in recession, it's very hard for India to defend its jobs, especially India. So I think Indians, we as a citizens should upskill ourselves, and for that someone pointed that AI is a good tool rather than looking at it in a negative way. We should take it in a positive way. Like someone pointed like government runs some vocational training to educate people. So yeah, government capacity, government does that, but I think the AI and internet's help, we citizens also have responsibility to for ourselves to educate ourselves and upskill ourselves. And then the last point I'll conclude with that is a startup. We should like promote the startups in India, so that we don't rely just on the government or the MNCs, so that we ourselves can support ourselves. Citizens of India can support ourselves. So yeah, that's the. I'll just cut down my conclusion to short like this. So yeah, thank you.
Okay, so points were good. What you mentioned is okay, but time you took was long. So
Yeah.
conclusion should not be that lengthy. You have to reduce
Okay.
it because there you get total 15 minutes for everything. So try to
Okay.
reduce it. And
Yeah, sure.
you are in position to participate. You are in position to enter the discussion. That is okay. So that problem you will not face.
Okay.
Only thing is enhance your content and try to stick to the structure of the group discussion. That's it. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
Akash
Sure.
Kumar.
Okay. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to conclude behalf of my team, sir. So like it was a great discussion. हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स पे डिस्कस किया था और अच्छा बात ये कि हम सबका लास्ट को ओपिनियन एक ही था कि yes, opportunity should be created. So for creating opportunity, sir, we have reached for the following solution to create an opportunity. Like आकाश सर ने बोला कि बहुत अच्छे पॉइंट्स बताया कि जो हमारे यहाँ इन्वेस्टर्स आ रहे हैं, जो हमारे देश में आकर के यहाँ प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं या फिर सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, तो उनको हम लोग को टैक्स फ्री और उन लोग को हम लोग को रिलैक्सेशन देना चाहिए। और वही जो जो ऐसे कुछ जो प्रोडक्ट्स बाहर से आ रही है या जो सामान बाहर से आ रही है, उनपे हम लोग को हैवी हमारा सोबिया मैम ने जो बताया कि सुरभि मैम ने बताया जो हमारे पीएसयू वगैरह है उनको स्टेप करनी चाहिए, वहां से अच्छी खासी अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट होगी। और जो हमारा पंकज सर बताए थे कि जो स्मॉल एसएमई जो है उनको स्ट्रेंथन करे, क्योंकि उसके बिना कोई भी देश का इकोनॉमी आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता है। और उसके अलावा जो और कुछ सोल्यूशन थे जिन पे बात हुआ, लाइक स्कूल लेवल पे हमें स्किलिंग अप करना पड़ेगा, कुछ करप्शन पे हम हमें काम करना पड़ेगा, जिसके कारण हमारा इंक्रीज होगा। और लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट तक हमें कुछ अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम चलाने होंगे जो कि यहाँ पे डिस्कस हुआ है, लाइक कि गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट में ऐसे डिस्टिंग्विश ना करें, भेदभाव नहीं करें कि गवर्नमेंट है प्राइवेट है और वाइट कलर और ऐसे जो मतलब जो हमारे यहाँ वो सब ना हो, जिससे के कारण जो लोग प्राइवेट में जाना चाहते हैं वो बेझिझक जाए, तो इससे हमारा एम्प्लॉयमेंट इंक्रीज होगा। थैंक यू सर।
ओके सो आकाश इट वाज गुड, और आप कंफर्टेबली पार्टिसिपेट कर पा रहे हैं, आप एंटर भी कर पा रहे हैं डिस्कशन में। आपने पूरे डिस्कशन में बहुत बार एंटर किया और पार्टिसिपेट भी किया। कंटेंट एनरिचमेंट और स्ट्रक्चर दो आपके वीक पॉइंट हैं। कंटेंट एनरिचमेंट करना कि जो टॉपिक दिया है कि उसको और कंटेंट कैसे बढ़ाना है। ओनली बोलना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं होता है, काम की बात बोलना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। सो दैट मीन्स क्वालिटी कंटेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड इन द डिस्कशन विच विल कम विद द more knowledge which you acquire about the topics. And again the second is the structure which you can follow: introduction, conclusion, and the structure. If you do these two things, then it will be wonderful for you, right?
Right.
Rest is
Thank you.
okay. Okay, Alok Yadav.
Yes, sir. Good evening, ma'am and sir. So today I would like to conclude this session on behalf of our group. So it was a very fruitful discussion on the current relevance topic, which is interesting too because job scenario in India is can be categorized in three major baskets, as our team members have already discussed a lot of things about it. So I think job scenario in India is growing in a differently manner, and whatever points we discussed, it was right at that right. It was somewhere right, and it was somewhere arrogance also because I think foreign investors giving them uh, giving them like in terms of giving them some kind of uh, uh, सरकार की तरफ से कोई
relaxation.
इनपुट देना चाहिए या फिर नहीं देना चाहिए, इट इज अ पॉइंट ऑफ डिस्कशन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट। बट अगर हमारे इनसाइड इंडिया में हम एज ए यूथ जो कर सकते हैं, आई थिंक हम लोग खुद से ही आगे बढ़ के स्किल्स के ऊपर काम कर सकते हैं, नए प्रोडक्ट्स के ऊपर काम कर सकते हैं और स्टार्टअप्स के ऊपर काम कर सकते हैं। दैट विल बी आई थिंक बेनिफिशियल इन अ मोर एंड बेटर मैनर। So I think it was a very nice discussion. So these are some conclusion of this discussion today, sir.
Okay, so Alok, your conclusion was okay, but in the participation you missed larger part. So जब discussion है, try to enter, try to participate because that practice you have to do. अगर आपने बीच में नहीं बोला हो और only conclusion करते हैं तो you may not pass. So some participation in the body is very very important. So try to enter next group discussions when you do. Try to enter, try to do practice. This group was little bigger group of 14, 13 students participating. It has to be 8, 9. We'll do that, and in that you will get a lot of opportunities to speak. Right? Anybody else is left? Actual GD में there are very less people who speak. जो होता है, rarely chaos होगा, rarely ऐसा होगा कि people are parallelly talking and all. But in real GD there are a couple of things which are different from here. One, here you are getting trained, so you are training yourself. So everybody is to speak. Number two, यहाँ पे आपको डर नहीं है एलिमिनेट होने का। अगर आप कुछ भी बोलेंगे आप एलिमिनेट हो जाएंगे, आपको डर नहीं है। नंबर तीन, यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग के बाद हर आदमी बोलना स्टार्ट करता है। एक्चुअल में मेरे को जो लगता है जितने भी जीडीज होते हैं उसमें 20% लोगों ने जीडी लाइफ में कभी लगाई होती है, बाकी 80% पहली बार वही लगा रहे होते हैं। एंड इवन इफ दे नो द थिंग्स दे आर नॉट इन पोजिशन टू स्पीक, सो दे डोंट इवन ओपन देयर माउथ। तो एक्चुअल में क्या होता है, बड़ा कूल होता है, लोग बच्चे बात नहीं करते बहुत ज्यादा, और अगर करते हैं तो ढंग से नहीं कर पाते हैं। तो अगर आपका प्रैक्टिस होगा तो आपके लिए काफी कंफर्टेबल है। कई बार ऐसा सिचुएशन हो सकता है दैट पीपल विल ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट इट और वहां बोलने ना दिए जाए, बट वो चांस कम होता है। सो यहाँ पे सब लोग क्योटिक रहेगा। यहाँ पे जब आप यूरोपीडिया पे करेंगे तो क्योटिक रहेगा, बिकॉज सब लोग ट्रेन हो रहे हैं एंड यू आर टू डू दैट। आपको बोलना है, बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करनी है। बट इफ यू ट्रेन योर सेल्फ इन टर्बुलेंट वाटर लाइक द वन यू आर डूइंग हियर, तो स्मूथ वाटर में सेलिंग विल बी क्वाइट इजी फॉर यू लेटर ऑन, दैट वोंट बी ट्रबल।
जस्ट मुझे ऐसा डर है कि यहाँ प्रैक्टिस हैबिट होते होते एक्चुअल जीडी में वो स्लिप ना हो जाए माइंड से दैट वी आर ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिंग समवन, वी हैव टू बी कॉन्शियस ऑफ इट देयर, राइट?
सो वहां पे हो गए ना, ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट किसको करोगे जब को बोलता ही नहीं है।
ओके ओके फाइन,
वहां पे बोलते बहुत कम बच्चा बोलता है वहां पे, डोंट यू वरी अबाउट दैट।
ओके
ओके ओके फ्रेंड्स, गुड नाइट।